Did you know that you could be paying 3 times more with the low FICO score? A 560 FICO score can boost you thousands and higher interest rates compared to a 700 score. Having the best credit score means the best possible rate and terms for your loans, your mortgages, your line of credits, and you will ultimately save thousands. Hey, fellow entrepreneur, welcome back to the Biznezz Academy. Listen, on this channel, we are your go-to hub for everything business credit, personal credit, and most importantly, funding for your business. If this is your first time here, hey, welcome. And please don't let this be your last. On the Biznezz Academy, we give you tips to help you with building your business credit. We give you strategies and personal credit that can help you build your business credit. We give you testimonies. And most importantly, we give you the real deal nuggets. We keep it real. Listen, don't let this be your last. And if you keep coming to my channel, this is not your first, your second, your third, or fourth. Listen, why don't you click that subscribe button so you'll be notified every time a new video goes live. Get your pen and paper ready to take notes. In today's video, I am going to share with you 7 facts about having a bad credit score and how it can affect your money and your finances. Number 1, higher interest rates. When your FICO score is low, your interest rate is high, your mortgage rates are higher, your credit interest rates are high, as well as business lines of credit. Basically, having a bad credit score means paying more, if not thousands or $100,000s of dollars in higher interest rates. But when you have a better FICO score, we're talking 700 or greater, not only do you see a difference in those interest rates declining, but those payments that you pay for your mortgage, for your credit cards, for your business lines of credit, as well as your car notes, you'll notice that you'll have a very nice payment compared to having a low FICO score. Number 2, bad credit increases your insurance premiums, meaning your insurance rates go skyrocket high, sometimes doubling what you pay for auto insurance, for life insurance, for mortgage insurance, and for renter's insurance. Number 3, when your FICO score is bad, you have a difficult time renting from a nice, luxurious apartment, condo, or townhouse. No one really wants to rent to a person whose credit is bad. That means that you are a risk, and landlords do not like this at all. And oftentimes you're paying higher rent costs, or you may get denied. That's something you need to really keep in mind when you're working on improving your credit. Quick fun fact. So when I went through a really rocky time in my life, my credit was shot. It was. I tried renting a really nice apartment because I had pretty stable employment history. Let me tell you, I had a really bad experience in renting this place. And I tell you, it was a bad experience. I don't want to go into too many details, but it's not until I learned about personal credit, the importance of credit, and how to enhance my credit that I was able to skyrocket my FICO score and build my credit profile. It was only then that I was able to rent in a high district in a major city overlooking the skyscrapers, beautiful. And then I was treated a little better compared to the landlord when my credit was horrible. So it's really important, guys, that your credit score represents who you are. Number 4, a poor FICO credit score can prevent you from getting that job that you have your eyes on and that you really want. Yes, this is true. So one of my clients, let's just call him Mr. Improvement. When he came to me to enhance his credit, he was trying really, really hard to get a job with an agency in DC. This young man had an incredible resume, an incredible educational background. He applied for the job, and there were 4 major steps that he had to take in order to get his foot in the door to achieve getting his dream job. Well, he checked on step 1, step 2, step 3. When it came to step 4, I hate to say this, but he didn't get the job. And the major reason why was because of his credit. So what we did is we sat down, came to me, sat down, looked at this credit report, and I gave him some recommendations on what we need to attack, have a strategy so we can improve his credit. It took us less than 1 year to improve his credit profile. His credit score went from 600 to 720 in less than 1 year. We did the work together, and he is working his dream job today. A lot of people have no idea how important a great FICO credit score is when you're trying to get your foot in the door to your dream job. I reside in a major city. There's some high movers and shakers in this city. And it's not really what you know, it's who you know and how your profile looks. And credit score is very, very important. If not, credit score sometimes is as important as your educational profile in your resume. Number 5, a bad credit score limits your financial options. You guys, true story, I can't make this up. Way back in the day when my credit was shot, my credit was bad. I actually purchased a car with the highest interest rate ever, and I'm so too embarrassed to share it with you guys. I was in my 20s. I was kind of desperate, and this was the same time that I rented that place that was not the nicest place because I couldn't get a place in the good part of town. This was during that time. But anywho, I end up purchasing a car from this used car lot in the hood for a hoopty. Got a hoopty. I was paying the highest interest rate on that. It's important that you get your score right because bad credit means bad deals. Number 6. A horrible or bad credit score can put a lot of strain in your marriage, and your relationship, and your friendship, and your businessship, and your partnership. And number 7, having a bad credit score has a long-term impact on your life. Bad credit can block what you buy, your home, your business, your retirement, and having access to financial terms. And there you have it. 7 facts that happen as a result of having bad credit. You guys listen. If you have any questions, any suggestions, or any topics you would like me to cover, go ahead and comment below. And listen, if you would like to get on a free call with me to discuss how we can work together and how I can help you enhance your credit, I can help you build your business credit, or help you obtain the funds that you need to grow and scale, go ahead and click the link below to get on the call with me so we can work together. And don't forget to take advantage of those freebies below to help you build your credit, build business credit. And until next time, guys, I love you. I love you.